Me and my brother won 3,000 tickets in an arcade on a cruise ship, and now we're giving them away to strangers.
You
won a bunch of tickets, and we're not doing anything with them, so we just got to give them away. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Justin, what do you say? Wow, oh my goodness. What did you guys do? The Whitney.
It was one of those things, but it was at a different part of the group.
Yeah. We went to a drag concert. It was crazy. Nice. How much have you spent? He's so close. He's so close. You really want that? Yeah. Why can't whatever one you pick. Is it close? Then I think you're good. Thank you.
At the restaurant, and it has like a dice
thank you
thing,
so
and we won it, and
much.
it spat out like 3,000 tickets, so we're giving them out to people.
Nah, he's my favorite person on the cruise now. Alright. It should be both of us. Thank you. I don't know what that would do. He just gave it to me. Let's go cast him in.
We won like 3,000, so we're just giving them to people. Okay, you don't, Mac, you don't need to do this. Okay, hold on. No, just give them the whole thing. Yeah, hold on, get your arms on.
I didn't get any tickets. I'll give you these.
You haven't got it. There you go.
Oh, these? Yeah.
Hey, we won a bunch of tickets. We're giving them out to people.
Thank you. You sure? Yeah. Actually? Yeah. 3,000. Oh, thank you. Who's that?
Sure, yeah, if you guys want. Say thank you. Wow, that's awesome, dude. Say thank you. Give him a high five. Give him a big high five. Thanks, guys. You're the best, guys. Thank you. You're all three. All right, let's just find one kid and give this all to him. All right, give all of it to that kid right there.
All right.
You can have all this.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, actually?
We won like 3,000, so we're just giving them out.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a blessed day, man.
That was a nice day. Okay. Yeah. Right?
Yeah. You're a good person.
Yeah.
So, Mac, you just gave a bunch of tickets to little kids. You're a good person. How do you feel? We were going to do an outro right there, but Mac is too busy acting like the Exorcist. So, here's what we're going to do. You're going to like and subscribe on this. You're going to like and subscribe on this video. And remember to hit that notification bell and leave a comment. It'll really help us out. I'm going to go call the priest, and we'll see you later.